I don't think I covered this too well last time. So, cutting carbon Kevlar, or just Kevlar on its own. The whole idea of Kevlar is just wear resistant. So trying to get it through with a pair of scissors is quite challenging. So I just measure off what I want. These are for the inside of the Mazda doors. So I normally pull myself one of the strands out. Which can also be a challenge. Should rename the channel Challenging Fiberglass with Mark. I just want to pull these strands out. It will give me a straight line to cut them. I'm not really bothered whether it's a carbon one or a Kevlar one. Just one. There we go. So now that one's out, I'll just use this fusion fix from Easycomposites. Just let that tack off, and then we'll set about it with the scissors. So it's had a couple of minutes to tack off. I was told hairspray works, so I tried it, and it kind of does work. It's not as good as that fusion fix. So that's just a normal bit of carbon Kevlar. It's not had any stuff on it, and it does cut. But you've got to keep tension on it. If you don't, you can't see. You see, it just keeps going down the side of the scissors. A lot of still there. So that's what I normally use on my hair. Give that a second to tack off. I'll show you that one. So, a couple of minutes. Yeah, not as good as that fusion fix. There you go.